Welcome. Let's do a 10-minute morning Qigong routine to release stress and restore your energy. Connecting heaven and earth. We begin by connecting the source of our life. As you inhale, look up and welcome the sky. As you exhale, bring that energy down through your body, rooting your feet into the earth. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Forget what happened yesterday. Right now, there is only your breath. You are the bridge between the energy of the heaven and then the stability of the earth. Feel the connection. Riding the energy wave. Imagine you are standing in a warm, gentle ocean. As you inhale, the water rises, lifting your arms effortlessly. Exhale, the wave recedes and you sink deeper into the sand. Breathe in, relax and breathe out. Soften your elbows. You are fluid like water. Gathering light, pushing stress. Imagine your hands are gathering pure, bright light from the universe. As you breathe in, your hands gently comes up and breathe out and pushing forward. You imagine you are pushing stress out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Bring the energy to your core. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep feeling your body and pushing it. Bring it into your center. Now use that light to push away any doubt or fear. Push with intention. You have the power to protect your own energy field. Claim your space. Nothing can disturb your peace unless you let it. Feel the heat in your palms. That is your vitality returning. Breathe in. Feel your heart. Your heart is not a storage unit for stress. It involves flow. With this breath, gather everything that feels heavy in your chest. And as you push, simply say inward, goodbye. You are not pushing against the world. Instead, you are creating space for yourself. Feel your body and exhale the past. Inhale the present. As you're pushing, let old energy leave your body so new light can enter into your body. One more time, keep breathing out. Lower your body and then tighten your lower abdomen. Breathe in. Focus on your heart and pushing forward. You are creating space for yourself. Keep feeling your body. The energy is flowing around your body. This is the movement to exercise your self-love. Keep creating the energy field around your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep feeling your body. Spiral energy flow. Look at your hand reaching toward the horizon. How far does your energy go? Don't stop at your fingertips. Imagine your energy extending infinitely into the universe. You are bigger than your problems. You are wider than your thoughts. Your hands go up and come down. One more time, your hands go to the sideway and going up above your head and creating the energy line and come down. Break through the invisible walls around you. Reach and expand. Claim the space around you. You are free. Where your eyes go, your energy flows. Look far away. If you feel anger in your heart, twist out the anger. Breathe in the calm. Your body creates spirals like the galaxy. Flow with nature, not against it. Find your center. Wings of vitality. Feel your palms, feel your arms. Imagine you are a great bird, soaring high above the mountains. Down below, the world is busy and noisy. But up here, there is only silence and wind. Inhale, rise above your issues, your problems. They look so small from here. Exhale, glide effortlessly on the breath. You don't need to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. Let your wings be light. Let your spirit be free. Inhale, your hands go up. And exhale, your hands come down. You are lighter than you think. Heavy thoughts sink. Light energy rises. Choose to rise. Gathering energy to the core. Breathe in, open your arms, breathe out, and bend your knees and your hip joint. Breathe in, open your body, breathe out, and energy comes to your core. The world pulls your attention in 1,000 directions. But now, Call all your attention back to one single point. Inhale, collect your scattered thoughts. Exhale, bring them home to your center. 2 inches below your belly button. This is your anchor, your energy core. No matter how fast the world spins, this center remains still. You are grounded. You are solid. Your center is your sanctuary. Return to it. Your energy is solid like a mountain, deep like the ocean. The shower of light. Put your feet together and breathe in and breathe out. Once again, breathe in and both your hands, your arms go up. Breathe out. Connecting all the chakras from the 7th chakra all the way down to your 1st chakra. All chakras are connected. Breathe in, breathe out. Thank you so much for following this Qigong routine.